Hey guys, welcome back to the class. Today we are going to resolve another error which is again coming while doing the GR, and the error is check table T004F entry G004 does not exist. To resolve this error, we need to open one another screen. Maybe I'll create session from here and I'll go to the SP arrow. Then I'll go to IMG. In IMG, I'll go for the financial accounting new. I'll open financial accounting global settings, then global parameters for company code, then enter global parameters here. Click on the position and find out your company code. Double click on your company code and update the field status variant as a 0001. In my case, it is 0001. In your case, it might be the other one. So please make your selections accordingly. But for me, it is 0001. So I'll select it and I'll save my record. Perfect. So save the CR. Go back. 1 second. There is a slowness. Perfect. So I'm back now. So I'll go to Amigo screen once again. I'll click OK and I'll reset my transaction code here. MIGO. I'll provide the information again like material code, then quantity, followed by plant and storage location. Perfect. Press enter and click on check button. Now I can see there is another error. This error we will be resolving in next class. Till the time, please do the practice. In case if you have any question, please feel free to reach me out through the chat section, or you can also send me the email as well. Do the practice. Take care. Bye bye.